President Emerson Mnangagwa has appointed former Central Intelligence Organization CIO Director General Isaac Moyo as Zimbabwe's new ambassador to the United Arab Emirates, less than a year after his abrupt dismissal from the top security post. Sanapinda mashoko buda panguva ino achinoka kunzi aiwa fired top spy boss sent to United Arab Emirates. Sanapinda mashoko vanhu vachiuya nemaquestions pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Aiwa Moyo panguva ino yachinodeploywa UAE inobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Chimina na mubuda nyika mchinzi. The appointment was confirmed in the latest government gazette published Wednesday by Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet Martin Rushwaya. Moyo replaces Ambassador Lovemo Mazemo, who has been reassigned to South Africa. The gazette also confirmed other diplomatic movements. Patrick Ronald Mutasa heads to Cuba, while Mazemo takes over in Pretoria from David Douglas ZVAITWA, who is moving to Washington as Zimbabwe's new envoy to the United States. Moyo's deployment to Abu Dhabi marks a dramatic comeback after he was sacked as spy boss in February 2024. The same week, Police Commissioner General KUTYA Matanga was also forced out. His removal from the CIO was sudden, with no official explanation given, though it was widely linked to internal power struggles in the security establishment and allegations of factionalism ahead of 2028 elections. A seasoned diplomat turned intelligence chief, Moyo was appointed CIO Director General in December 2017 following Mnangagwa's rise to power after the military-assisted ouster of Robert Mugabe. He succeeded Hapiton Boyongwe, who briefly served as Justice Minister during Mugabe's final months in office. Before taking over the intelligence service, Moyo served as Zimbabwe's ambassador to South Africa and Lesotho, where he played a critical role in managing tense bilateral relations, particularly on migration and trade disputes. Earlier in his diplomatic career, he represented Zimbabwe at various international fora and was regarded as a loyal technocrat within the foreign service. Though mashoko ariwo panguva ino pamusoro pe deployment wayam Isaac Moyo. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Mabvina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.